In our last episode, I talked about what is BiGu and why it is not just fasting. Today, I'm going to dive into why avoid grains. How did ancient Taoists know about one of the major causes of today's biggest health issue, chronic inflammation? Let's explore the connection between the myth of BiGu and modern-day immunology and the fascinating supernatural powers we don't believe we have. The ancient Taoist practice of BiGu involves fasting and energy cultivation, aimed at eliminating the three corpse worms, metaphorical entities believed to reside in the body's three energy centers, or Dan Tien. These worms, thought to be nourished by grains, particularly refined ones, were seen as obstacles to tranquility and spiritual advancement. Modern immunology offers a compelling interpretation, connecting this ancient myth with our understanding of the body's inflammatory response. The three corpse worms are not literal parasites but a metaphor for the body's immune response, specifically phagocyte activity and autophagy. Phagocytes are immune cells that engulf and destroy foreign invaders like bacteria, fungi, virus-infected cells and debris. At the same time, autophagy is a cellular self-cleaning process that clears and recycles subcellular components. Both manage inflammation, the body's response to injury or infection, often triggered by factors like refined grain consumption. Refined grains can cause blood sugar spikes, contributing to inflammation and potentially impairing the immune system. Ancient Taoists, through meditative practices and inward vision or cultivated clairvoyance, likely observed these cellular processes. Witnessing phagocytes and autophagy engulfing damaged cells, they might have described these immune cells as corpse worms, a vivid metaphor for their observed activity. The 4th century Taoist text Ziyangzhen Ren'ei Chuan describes the three corpse worms, associating them with specific ailments. The old blue at Upper Dantian is linked to sensory and head issues. The white maiden at Middle Dantian is associated with heart and lung problems. The bloody corpse at Lower Dantian is connected to digestive and skin issues. These descriptions align with the locations and functions of various immune cells. Microglia, brain phagocytes, reside in the Upper Dantian. Macrophages found in the thymus, myocardium and gut correspond to the middle and lower dantians. The Taoists may have been observing the effects of inflammation on these organs. BiGu, by eliminating grains, likely reduced inflammation. This lessened the need for intense phagocyte and autophagy activity, perceived as the diminishment of the three corpse worms. These immune processes are essential, but chronic inflammation, often fueled by refined grains, can lead to an overactive immune response. The Taoists recognized the connection between diet, inflammation, and well-being. Their focus on fasting and dietary restrictions, aimed at eliminating the worms, reflects an early understanding of managing inflammation for health and longevity. Now you understand the health benefits and longevity-promoting part of the BiGu practice. In our next episode, I'll talk about an even more intriguing question. Can our body be solar-powered? Until next time, if you're interested in our Spring BiGu retreat, please message or email us for more information at support@hoholisticwellness.com. See you in March.